Hey, yo, I have been feeling sick for the last 2 to 3 days, and I finally getting out the house today. You know what I was saying? Like, I haven't been doing the stuff that I used to do, like, for the kids for the past probably, like, 3 months, but I'm going to give myself some grace, because, you know, people be like, you don't give yourself grace, you don't give yourself enough grace. I'm going to give myself that, because these kids be having me run, okay? When I say in every sport, like, everything, the times, the dates, none of that, let me tell you. Last year with basketball season, when we got 5 boys, but we only have 3 boys playing in the basketball. We had to go make it to 3 different basketball locations. Like, it was just outrageous. But anyways, guys, spring is coming and about to get back in that rotation of getting into a bunch of sports and stuff like that. And I'm also gonna start going back to all these free things that we'll be going to, like at the library, free events and stuff like that. Michael's, where they do painting and arts and crafts. Home Depot, where they have a free. JC Penney, you know, all these free events, guys. Because let me tell you, your girl's still on a budget, and we're gonna do things that's on a budget. So, and the kids like doing stuff like that, anyways. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna take it on my day.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Rain down on me. Let your love just shower me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower me.
Hey friends, I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in on today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. And I don't think I'm going to be buying another seafood boil, guys. I literally been not buying these. Like, I probably buy one like every 1 or 2 years or something like that. Anyways, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy seafood boils and things of that nature in the seafood realm. I think I'm just going to stay away from this for a while. Not that it made me sick. It's just something, I don't know. I didn't really finish it at all. Yeah. Later. See, the sun went down, so it was too sunny for you, right?
Here. Here. You can draw your lines. Oh, you want to draw mines? Okay. Go get your piece of chalk.